Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibu sana in case you're new here or it's your first time watching. I'm back with another video on how to do a smoky eye tutorial. A smoky eye tutorial is a dark shade or a dark eyeshadow tutorial. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And before that guys, hit that subscription button below before we get into it. So we're going to start with moisturizing my lips and the face. I had not applied anything on my face, so that's why I'm going to start with moisturizing. This is the moisturizer. So we move on to the eyebrows. Using a spoolie, you brush them so that you can give them a good structure, so that it makes it easier for you to line them and later shade them without wasting a lot of time. So today I'm using an eyebrow gel, not using an eye pencil. You first line the lower side that way and then move to the upper side and line as well. So now those are our eyebrows. Clean them up. So now after the eyebrows, we move into the eyeshadow. Remember to conceal your eyelids before you even start applying your eyeshadow. Do not use a very light concealer to conceal your eyelids, especially when you're going for a dark shade like we are. Just use the same concealer you use to clean up your eyebrows. Yeah. This is the dark shade that we're going to be using. So apply it smoothly. Use a very smooth and small brush. Start with your cut crease area. This is the cut crease area. Moving to the outer corner of the eye. Also blend it in circular motion so that it's not dragged to the upper side. The dark shade, you blend your dark shade with a transitioning shade. Sorry for the reflection guys, this is the transitioning shade that we're going to use to blend in the first shade. Apply this other transitioning shade very lightly. You don't have to do too much of the transitioning shade, because here our main focus is the dark shade for a good smoky eye. So you can see that that's our final look on the smoky eye. So clean up the outer part of your eye with the foundation. Give it that shape. Don't use a concealer for this process. Use a foundation, because eventually you're going to blend it in as you do the rest of this face. This is to give the outer corner of your eye a good structure after you've done a smoky shade, because some of the eyeshadow extends to the unwanted areas or to parts where it's not supposed to be. So this process is helpful to make sure that the outer corner of your eye is well cleaned. What I was talking about, cleaning up the outer corner so that you can see where the eyeshadow is and the rest of the face. We have a difference. Then I'm now going to do my lashes off camera, and then we move on with the rest of the face. Yeah, so I did my lashes off camera, and when it comes to the lashes, avoid dramatic lashes when you're going for a smoky look, because the center of concentration for this look is the eyeshadow, the eyes. So don't overdo with the lashes. So let's prime. Yeah. After your primer is setting, apply the foundation. So now after the foundation, we conceal our under eye. From you apply the forehead, or rather you conceal your forehead and blend it. Concealers dry up so fast, so that's why you apply, blend. The secret is apply, blend, apply, blend. Do not apply and then you have to wait and blend later. That's why I apply the under eye, I blend. You apply the forehead and blend. Set your makeup. Use a Damn Beauty blender as well, and very minimal product when it comes to the powder. Contour your face, starting with the cheekbones. Contour your forehead as well. The purpose of contouring your forehead is to bridge that gap between your hairline and the rest of the face. Since you can't apply foundation in the hairline, and the hairline is dark, your face is bright because of the foundation and the concealer, so the only way to bridge them or bridge that gap is by contouring this area. My nose is well contoured and highlighted. You can see the structure. I always love the structure of the nose after the contour. So now let's set in. So now last but not least, we move on to the lips. Since it's a smoky or a dark, since this is a smoky eye tutorial, I just want to do very minimal on the lips. No bright lip paints. Avoid lip paints or bright lipsticks when it comes to a smoky look. So today I'll be doing a gloss, a very clear gloss for the lips. For today's look, that's what I wanted to go for. Clear lips and some dark smoky eyes. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe if you haven't to this point. Like this video, share it as much as you can, please. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Comment down below on what you want me to do next, or what kind of tutorial you want to see next on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.